Good morning, welcome to a 2 and 2 on Wednesday the 2nd of April. This is Kim speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the euro dollar then, as expected yesterday we got up and hit that monthly pivot. As actually you can see it clearer on this 4-hourly chart to the right here, quite early on within in the day, and we did get a reaction off that 4-hour pivot as expected. At the moment, it's looking like it's still got some potential continuation to the upside. We did put a higher low in, and we're still sort of working in there. The important thing here really is whether or not we can, we're pushing up at the moment, whether we can break yesterday's highs into this monthly pivot. If it gets up to there and can't get through and then rolls over, we could see a bit of downside. One thing I'm aware of with all the news that's coming out this week is you could end up quite equally on days like this with inside bars, and if it does react to that, we could just end up sort of sitting in a relatively tight chop area. Any break of this pivot, if we actually get through there with some momentum and it pushes on upwards, I'd be looking at these sort of previous highs here at 138.69.70 area. Just as a next point of sort of resistance. Saying that said, the 100 MA may just come in and cause a bit of a slowdown again, but on the 4-hourly there. But really, it tends to have less effect. Quite often, price tends to disrespect it a little bit. Okay, then looking at the pound dollar very quickly, we have got an intraday figure that I want it to get up to first is 165.40. Although just looking at what I'm seeing here, this sort of pattern here, it looks like a bear flag. It looks like we could get some further downside. That said, of course, we got the PMI, construction PMI coming out this morning, which could change things altogether. Quite often you get a bit of news out and it can be quite a game changer for the day, but technically, to me, from what we're seeing here, it looks weak on the 4-hourly from a 4-hourly picture here. But as I say, fundamentally, if the construction PMI was to come out particularly good, we could see a rally, in which case that we could see a sort of push for the previous highs there. But again, yeah, as expected yesterday, we hit the daily pivot, so monthly pivot. So it's done what it needed to do. It didn't put it was an inside bar there, so it hasn't made any new lows. So any rally coming off the news could see us continue back up towards that 167 area, which I was talking about yesterday. These prior highs 167.500 plus. So we just need to watch where we're going from here. But as I say, at the moment it's looking a tad to the bearish side. Okay, that's it for me. Have a great day. Bye for now.